The final thing I'll show you here with interactive Rebase is how we can completely remove a commit, not just the message, but the entire commit and its changes. So I have this one horrible commit I made. Let's say it was an accident. It's silly. But in all reality, there might be work you've done on a branch that you just don't want anymore, especially as you're about to share this branch with other people. So I faked that by making a commit claiming it was from my cat. My JavaScript app.js file has a bunch of random nonsense and then a commit message that says my cat made this commit. So I want to get rid of that. I'll just show you right now. If I take a look at the app.js file using the aptly named cat command, this is what's in there, right? I can see this here if I open it. I want to get rid of that. I mean, I could delete it, of course, but then I have to make a commit that says something like, deleting work from my cat. I just want to drop that commit entirely. So I need to figure out how far back to go. It's just 2 commits ago. So I could just do that. Go back 2. So interactive rebase 2. So I'm going to do that. Get rebase -I. Again, just rebasing in place. So head -2. It opens it up. Here's that commit. And instead of pick or reword or fix up, I'm going to drop, which will remove the commit entirely. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and try that. I don't know why I just went to my terminal. I'm going to do drop that commit and then X out of here. I saved. And now, first of all, if I type git log, that commit is not showing up, right? I don't see the message, but also the changes are gone. If I go to my editor, that file is still here because I created it in a different commit, but the contents are gone. So now I have a completely rewritten history on this branch, my feature branch, and we could compare it. So if we just take a look here, right, we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total commits, and they're all, I guess, in present tense. Although, you know what, maybe I want to uppercase all of them. So here we have an uppercase C, or the other option would be to make this lowercase. So we could do that, right? We know how to do that. Actually, if it's the most recent commit, the easiest way is to use git commit --amend, which I showed you quite a long time ago. You may not remember. But if I do this, it opens up the most recent commit and it allows me to edit the commit message, but also I could add stuff in if I did a git add first and then commit amend. So I'm going to close out of this though. And now if I do my git log, everything's all lowercase. I don't know, maybe just keep it consistent, right? It's just another way of editing commits, of rewriting history. Okay, so we'll switch back to master from here. Git switch master and do oh no, it's main, isn't it? And then I'll do a git log 1 line. Way more commits, as you can see, very inconsistent, tense. We collapsed some of these down, we mushed them together. This one here with that one, and then these 3 we combined, we dropped this one, we rewrote history.